5 Best Humidifiers. Number 5. The Bonco/Aero Swiss Warm. Whisper quiet in operation. Optional warm or cool mist. Auto mode for fully automated operation. Both in the office and at home. An empty indicator comes on. Digital display and programmable hydrostat. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. The Watt 6L Warm and Cool Humidifier. Comes with 2 extra aroma pads. Even the whole house. Water tank material has been updated. Mineral dust around your living spaces. Item weight, 4.92 pounds. If you have trouble sleeping at night, please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. The Honeywell HCM 6009. 3 moisture output speed settings. Adjustable humidity control. Off to maintain set humidity levels. Three-gallon dual tank design allows. Item weight, 19.95 pounds. To ensure optimal product performance, please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. The Mistair Pure Enrichment Ultrasonic. Soothing lighting for maximum relaxation. Disc cleaning brush. Caring customer support 7 days a week. Millions of customers worldwide. Silent operation is quiet enough. Adjusts moisture output to meet your comfort level. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. The Tautronics TTA001. Comes with a built-in timer. A 360-degree rotatable nozzle, which is perfect to use when going to sleep. As an ultrasonic humidifier. 2 handles on the top. A set period before switching the humidifier off. Please check the description for detail and price.